Good morning. Next article is conversion of decimal number to hexadecimal number. Converter from decimal to hexadecimal. Decimal to hexadecimal, that is decimal to hex. Meaning of hex is hexadecimal. Let us suppose that you are given the numbers in decimal number system. And you are asked to convert it into hexadecimal number system. What to do? Use double table method. Now here the radix will be 16. We have to divide integral part every time successively by 16 and note the quotient and the remainder. Continue this integer division till you get the quotient 0. To convert the fractional part from decimal to hexadecimal, you have to multiply this by 16 and note the product and the carry. So let us convert this. 7, 8, 9 divided by 16 quotient remainder. 16 for the 64, 14 left, 1 taken, it will become 149. 16 9s are 144. 149 minus 144, 5 is left. Then 49 divided by 16. 16 3s are 48. Remainder is 1. 3 divided by 16. Quotient 0, remainder 3. This is MSD, this is LSD. Now let us go for the fractional part. 0.28 into 16 product and here carry. 128, 8 carry 12, 16 to the 32, 34, 44. Decimal point after 2 digits carry is 4. Then 0.48 multiply by 16. Again 128, 8 carry 12, 16 4 the 64, 66, 76, carry 7, 0.68 multiply by 16, again 128 carry 12, 16 6 the 96, 98, 108. Carry A. This can be continued. This will be MSD, this will be LSD, and therefore this decimal number in hex is 315.47A in 16. This can be continued. Okay, this is approximate value of the fractional part. So this is how decimal number can be converted to hexadecimal. Let us go for one more example. Let us first go for integral part. 9879 divided by 16 quotient remainder. 16 6 are 96, 2 left, so it will become 27. 16 ones are 16. From 27, what is left? 4 plus 7, 11 left. 11, 9 is taken, 119. And 7s are 16 7s are 112. 119 minus 112, 7. Remainder 7. 716 divided by further 16. So mistake is made here. 617. Right. Now this one. 16 3s are 48. 48, 2 and 11, 13, 137. 16 8s are 128. And what is left? 128 minus 137 minus 128, 9. Then 38 divided by 16. 16 2s are 32. Remainder 6. 6 divided by 2 divided by 16. Quotient 0, remainder 2. MSD, LSD. Now go for the fractional part. 0.99 into 16 product carry 144 4 carry 14 144 148 158. Decimal point after 2 carry is F. Then 0.84 multiply by 16, 4 carry 6, 128 plus 6 134. Decimal point after 2 digits BCD. Remainder is carry is D. then 0.44 into 16, 16 for the 64, 4 carry 6, 16 for the 64, 64 plus 670, decimal point after 2, 7. We can stop here, and this is equal to 2697 hex point. This is MSD, this is LSD, EFD 716. This way we can convert any given decimal number to equivalent hexadecimal number. For integral part, we shall divide the number successively by 16 till we get the quotient 0, and for every integer division we shall note the remainders. Last remainder will be MSD, first remainder will be LSD. For fractional part, multiply the fractional part by 16, note the product and carry. Continue this for 3 to 4 times. Okay, you will get approximate value of the fractional part, and just then write here conversion of decimal integral part to hexadecimal integral part, fractional decimal part to hexadecimal decimal part. So this is how we can go for conversion of decimal to hexadecimal. You can try more problems. This is the procedure. Then let us go for reverse of this. Hex to decimal. Convert the numbers from hexadecimal to decimal. In this case, we shall use sum of weight method. Decimal number system is positionally weighted number system. Hexadecimal number system is also positionally weighted number system. Let us consider a hex number. Convert this to decimal. 7 into 16 to the power 0 plus 4 into 16 to the power 1 plus 2 into 16 to the power 2, 0, 1, 2 plus A into 16 to the power 3. This is equal to A is 10 and 16 to the power 3 is square of 16 is 256 and its cube is 4196 plus 2 into 256 plus 4 into 16 plus 7 into 1. This is 41960 plus 2 6 are 12, 2 carry 1, 2 5 are 10 plus 1 11, 1 carry 1, 2 2 are 4, 5 plus 16 4 are 64, 7 1 are 7, 2 6 6 plus 7 13, 3 carry 1, 6 2s are 12 plus 2 14 carry 1 15 carry 1 2 4. So this is 4 2 5 4 3 in decimal. Let us go for one more example. A, that is 10 into 16 to the power 3 plus B 11 into 16 to the power 2 plus 2 into 16 to the power 1 plus 14 into 16 to the power 0 decimal point 10 into 16 to the power minus 1. This is 41960 plus 256 into 11. 6 carry 6, 1 carry 6, 28 plus 32 plus 14 dot 10 divided by 16 0 point, it will become 100. 6 4 left 40 2 8 left 85, and so the answer is 281664. 2 carry 1, 12 carry 1, 18 carry 1, 4 4 decimal point 625. So this hexadecimal number in decimal is this one, 44,822.625. This is just the procedure. Sometimes while writing I may put some figures wrongly. Try to understand the procedure and do the conversion correctly. This is about hexadecimal to decimal conversion. Only two conversions are now left, and that is hexadecimal to binary and binary to hexadecimal. Let us go for hex to binary. X2 binary. I have considered 4 numbers in hexadecimal. Whenever you are given a number in hexadecimal and asked to convert it into binary, just replace every digit of hexadecimal number by a nibble of a binary, equivalent nibble of binary. Replace every digit of given hexadecimal number by equivalent binary nibble. And it is so simple. A means 10, 1 0 1 0. B means 11, 1 0 1 1. C means 12, 1 1 0 0. D means 13, 1 1 0 1. Binary point. F means 15, 1 1 1 1. This is equivalent binary of given hexadecimal number. It's so simple, just child's play. The same thing here. B 11, 1 0 1 1. A 10, 1 0 1 0. D 13, that is 1 1 0 1. C 10 11 12, 1 1 0 0. Now binary point. E 14, 1 1 1 0. Equivalent binary of given hex number. This is A 10, 1 0 1 0. C 12, 1 1 0 0. E 14, 1 1 1 0. F 15, 1 1 1 1. Binary point. 2 is 0 0 1 0. Binary equivalent of given hexadecimal number. Then last one, 7 0 1 1 1. Each digit of given hex number is to be replaced by a nibble. Nibble group of 4-bit binary. So 7 is 0 triple 1. A 1 0 1 0. 8 1 0 0 0. B is 11, 1 0 1 1. Binary point. C 12, 1 1 0 0. This way we can convert any given hexadecimal number into its equivalent binary number. And the last conversion is the reverse of this, binary to hex. We can consider more examples, but this is sufficient. Now start from the binary point. To the left for integral part, to the right for fractional part. Move from the binary point to the left, and while moving to the left, make group of 4 bits. While moving to the right, also make group of 4 bits. 4 4 4 4 4. Replace each nibble by its equivalent hex. This is 12. 12 is C. This is also 12 C. This is also 12 C. This is 10 A. This is 12 C. So simple. 1 1 1. 1 bit is short, add 0 here. 1 bit is short, add 0 here. This is 7. This is 8. This is 15. This is 8. This is 14. Replace each nibble by its equivalent digit, hexadecimal digit. Then 1 2 3, add 2 zeros. 1, add 2 zeros. This is 3, 8, 3, 15, hexadecimal point, 7, 12, hexadecimal of given binary. This is start from the binary point, one group, second group, third group, fourth one. It is short of 2 bits, add 2 zeros to the left. It is short of 2 bits, add 2 zeros to the right. This is 3. This is 14. This is 3. This is 15. This is 3 hex point. This is 12. This is the procedure for conversion of binary numbers to hexadecimal numbers. This way you can convert numbers from one number system to other number system. Till date we discussed about 12 different methods of conversion of numbers from one number system to other number system. So this is about the conversion of numbers from one number system to other number system. Hope you got it. Make practice so that it will be easy for you. Thank you.